As long as I've been with Robert Allan, we've been working with ship constructor SSI.
I'm Dennis Morey. I'm the CEO of SSI. We've been in business with Robert Allan for over 3 decades. The relationship we started with Robert Allan started when we were really a startup company, which was kind of a scrappy startup company. We wanted to do something different.
My name is Jim Hislop. I've been working at Robert Allan for more than 30 years. I am the Director of Project Development.
The thing that I'd say that we would learn mostly from Robert Allan is really a better understanding of the business of shipbuilding. So when we look at the business of shipbuilding, technology is important, obviously, to complete your designs and your ship and so forth. But the ability to adopt this technology is not just the sake of just adopting technology. It's really making sure that you can add value to the underlying business.
That relationship originally, it developed out of a need to have what we call developable surfaces, and allows them to create ship hulls that are not only efficient, but also easy to build.
My name is Dmitry Kapiturov. I'm a director of production design at Robert Allan, senior structural engineer. And on top of that, I also I'm a CAD manager. Ship constructor was like a huge part of my career development for sure. We're offering entire service for production design in ship constructor, structure, piping, outfitting, and we're supporting our clients throughout the design and construction process.
So the idea of what we have with working with Robert Allan is how do we support the traditions of shipbuilding without affecting their current business, but also leveraging the new functionality and methodology of how you want to work in the future.
Ship constructor was introduced to our design workflow, and it became so much easier. Before, a production design project would take a year, more than a year for a structure. Now, because we're doing it in ship constructor, the time frame for it shrinks so much. So now you can do it in half a year or even less than that, right? Depending on the size of the boat, of course.
Ship constructor has always been responsive to our needs. We have, over the years, made requests for certain features, asked for technical help, all of these kinds of things that you guys offer as good customer service. And I think that's really helped us not only feel comfortable with the software, but it has allowed us to give the client a product that we produce using your software that is top-notch. It's error-free, it's fast, it's efficient, it's clean, it's easy to read. It was a very collaborative process.
My name is Matthew Malloy. I'm the piping production lead here at Robert Allan Ltd. So reviews with the shipyard generally is us sending a Navisworks model. Shipyard will give us comments based on the model. We'll implement the comments, and then we will produce spool drawings and our assembly drawings.
And once it's developed, we have a group of structural designers who would jump in to 3D tools, ship constructor, and start building this model.
My work personally right now is probably 90% 3D.
That was, to me, a big jump. We went from the 2D world into the 3D world. We started looking at things like interferences and how access to tight areas could work. And that was a big step. And since then, there's been a lot of evolution of the software.
The key aspect of a really good partnership is that you really make each other better. And I think that's what we're going to continue doing with Robert Allan.